Well, it's 7:17. I'm over at the Mack dealership. Gonna wait for them to open up and then see if I can look at the heavy haul truck before the guys get over the job site. If they even show up to kind of this early. I'm tired. Slept 5 hours, 45 minutes, I think. 5 hours, 45 minutes last night. 44% under my target right now. Yeah, it's not good. I need to start sleeping a little more. I got a lot on my plate though. A lot of stuff I got to do. I was gonna sit on the computer most of this morning and do a bunch of computer work, but I decided not to. So, brought my trucker headset with me because I'm expecting about 30 phone calls today. We'll see how that goes. Oh, I'm gonna turn the heater back on. I shut it off because the fan ramped up. It's gonna make a bunch of background noise. But I'm expecting a whole bunch of people to call about trucks and stuff. I don't know if you can see it, but right there is our Doosan 225, and they're gonna replace a culvert in it. We dropped that off yesterday. So now today is supposed to be 113, but I'm super superstitious. So we're gonna call this day 114, and I'm gonna skip 113 altogether. I hate the number 13. It's nothing but bad luck, you know, knock on wood. So I'm gonna skip that number. I got Christian a bunch of old hand-me-down clothes if he wants them, some beanies and stuff. Maybe it'll work for him. I was gonna see about maybe getting him a pair of rubber boots, see if Ben will let me do it, and then he doesn't have to keep chomping around in tennis shoes and whatnot. So see how that goes. Walmart's right across the street, so technically we can just go walk over there and go get them. But waiting on him. It's funny, on this sleep thing, my watch, those little red ones are every time I wake up, and they're almost perfectly evenly spaced. You know, went to sleep, woke up in dead middle of the night, and then woke up kind of right before I actually got up. That doesn't usually happen like that. Usually I kind of wake up about the middle of the night, and that's about it. Mostly to go pee, I'm assuming. Oh, Josh left this in the truck, so I took it out. This looks like a 762 by 54 R because it's got the big rim on it, but it's not stamped or nothing. But that's what it looks like to me. Used to shoot competitively for about 10 years and I haven't done it in a while, so I'm a little outdated on all that. But should be in the dump truck all day. Be a pretty busy day. Expecting a lot of, like I said, expecting a lot of phone calls, so we'll see how all this whole thing goes. And I'm tired. Well, the boss put Randy in the dump truck because Randy's truck broke down, and the parts are supposed to be here today, so he brought Randy to town, and he'll take the parts and go back, and then I'll get back in the dump truck. Ow, god damn it. Twist my ankle again. Oh, that hurt. So I'm helping him. Christian's looking for the water line. Right now, we don't know how deep it goes. So he's trying to uncover it. He's having a little bit of trouble with it. I think I got to go get in the low boy and go get a roller, because they got to roll this halfway. 2 lifts. So trying to get it all sorted out, but pretty big undercut for just a little old driveway. But either way, it's moving along. Just a little painstaking when you got to do that. You don't know where that water line's at. You don't want to tear it. Well, this other contractor skid steer broke. So they're about to pick it up and set it on their trailer. And I think one of the brakes are locked on or something broke in the drive. Almost done. Pretty close to being done, at least. So we're getting there little by little. Push them off. I hate people like that. That guy. No, the car stopped in the turn lane. Look at the diesel pouring out the back. That was interesting. What do you guys think? Does it get an A+?
It's loaded.
That's true, he's loaded. Oh, I gotta love it. So we got most of this done. This is 9-. That's class 7. Tony's building up a shelf from the road down, so cars could technically drive in here. A car won't be able to make it, a truck would have to drive in here, but he's building a bit of a taper up to the road. We're almost done for the day. It's what, 4:30 now? Christian's here. Christian was drinking a soda and I grabbed it from him and shook it and handed it back.
Yeah.
But we're getting close to being done. And then I got a whole bunch of work to do at home because I'm out here helping these guys instead of at home taking care of stuff. So, but I don't think we're gonna work Friday at all. It's pretty cold. It's pretty cold out right now. I got a couple jackets and I got my Stormy Chromer Rancher, which has got the big, thick, insulated one. And then he's wearing what? 3 jackets?
Yep. Hoodie, an overcoat, and an undershirt with a hood on it.
Yeah, he's got 3 on. So Friday is going to be single digits or below. Be single digits or below. So it's pretty cold. I seriously doubt we're going to work at all on Friday. Oh, we're going to go get the shovel. Tony just pushed dirt over the edge. So we're looking forward to all that. That's going to end up being fun. But we'll see how that whole thing goes. But almost done for the day. Pretty close. Well, just ran over here to the office real quick. Got all the dogs and Ashley. Bam Bam, quit licking your stitches. It's Bam Bam, yes. Hi, Brody. Bam Bam. Bam Bam. Hey, quit it. Quit it. No. So I thought I lost my overheight stick. And turns out it's stuck between the seat and the bottom of the seat in the back of the truck, and I just didn't notice it. So I drove over here thinking I just lost $250 from the other day and I was never gonna get it back. Turns out it's in the truck the whole time. And the bag it's in is exactly the same color as the seat, so it's a little hard to tell. But I have it, so that's what matters. But it's 7 o'clock at night and we just drove over to the office for nothing. And then got the dogs out. You guys want to go to PetSmart?
Christmas light.
Quit it. God, they're so rough. Huh. Hi, Brody. This is Brody. That's Pam Pam. And over there's Molly.
Brody's feeling
So do you want to go to PetSmart? Or do you want to just go home?
No, I wanted to see if there were Christmas lights and then go home.
Oh, you have to look them up. If you look up on word of mouth, there's all kinds of people posted about where the Christmas lights were at, yeah.
Oh, because we ain't going to be driving
So,
tomorrow.
might go up Christmas lights, might go home.
Yeah.
But
Who knows?
either way, we'll see you guys tomorrow.